Selecting the appropriate training method. Selecting the appropriate training method is an important part of designing an effective training program. Different training methods are suitable for different learning styles, subject matters, and organizational cultures. In this video, we explore the different training methods and factors to consider when selecting the appropriate training method for a training program. 1. Classroom training. Classroom training involves a trainer delivering a lecture or presentation to a group of learners in a physical or virtual classroom setting. Classroom training can be effective for delivering information quickly and efficiently. It also allows learners to interact with the trainers and ask questions. However, classroom learning may not be suitable for all learners and subject matters. On-the-job training. On-the-job training involves learners learning by doing in their work environment. It is particularly effective for training practices, skills, and procedures. On-the-job training also allows learners to apply their knowledge immediately, which can reinforce learning. However, on-the-job training requires more resources, time, and effort to implement effectively. 3. E-learning. E-learning involves delivering training content online through a learning management system (LMS). E-learning is effective for delivering consistent training to a large number of learners in different locations. It also allows learners to complete the training at their own pace and convenience. However, e-learning may not be suitable for learners who require more interaction and engagement. Simulation training. Simulation training involves creating a realistic scenario that simulates a real-life situation for learners to practice in a safe environment. It is particularly effective for teaching skills that requires a high level of expertise and experience. Simulation training also allows learners to make mistakes and learn from them without consequences. However, simulation training requires more resources and time to create and implement effectively. When selecting the appropriate training methods for a training program, several factors should be considered, including learning styles for the learners, subject matters and complexity of the training content, organizational culture and resources, budget and time constraints, available technology and equipment.